Imagine that you could create your own music, I mean studio quality music, just with AI tools. You don't need any producer, you don't need anything, you don't need any special tool, just this AI platform, and you're good to go. Now, I'm talking about gospel music, rap music, Afrobeat, name all the genres that you can, they are available on this platform. Now, if you want to tap into this and start making money, let me show you the kind of music that you'll be able to create by using this platform.
Oh, no, 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 no. When you smile, my ego weak. You got my heart on your sleeve. I pass your place just to see if you still save a seat for me. Your laugh tastes like sweet palm wine. One sip and I lose my mind.
So you see this kind of music, I made it with AI. So this is my music. It is nobody's music. I created it with AI. Now, with no further ado, let me show you how you can start making your music on this platform, so you can start making money, releasing on streaming platforms, and being one of the top music creators that everybody is going to be listening to your music. So when you sign into the interface, it gives off this bright, catchy green color, and it's really attractive. Now, you can either choose to sign in with your Google account or your Gmail account, and for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my email account. And after I click an account, it's going to be asking me, do you want to use this Google account to sign into this app of your own volition? Of course, I'm going to click continue, and once I click on that, I'm a bona fide member of the AI music creator. Now it's going to take me back into the interface, only that this time I can now access all features of this amazing AI tool. Now, there are so many features in this website. I don't know how many I can name at a go. I don't know how many I should explore, but I'm going to be exploring my personal favorite, which is the AI music generator and AI song cover. Now, this AI song cover is my favorite because I can use any artist or entrepreneur of my choice, as long as the person is a public figure and available on this site. Believe you me, I will be using such person. There are so many creators making money with this platform, posting AI cover music with any celebrity or public figure of their choice, and they are getting paid. I think it's time it becomes your turn. So it's time for you to explore this. All you need to do is to come to this website and you will have access to all these amazing tools. Now, because I want you to fully understand how to get around this tool, I'll be showing you exactly how you can create music using the AI music generator. You saw the kind of catchy song I made in the beginning. That is what you're going to be learning now. Now I'm going to go up back into the AI music generator so I can show you exactly how you can get started. Now, this is the star of the show for me because there are two options, or even three, because the first one requires a prompt, the second option requires using your own lyrics, and the third option is you uploading an audio. So if you're someone that makes music, this is the holy grail for you. Now, because I want to use the prompt, I'll be going on to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is literally my best friend right now, my personal assistant. And I'm going to be telling to create a prompt that I can use to create an amazing AI music in the Afrobeat genre. This is what I typed in. You can copy my prompt or you can even make your own better. That is why it's good to listen to tutorials, so you can get inspiration and ideas on how to create something better. Now I'm going to click in the send button. Let's see what ChatGPT has for us and what we can create with this website. Now, I added in my prompt that it should create a sound that is similar to Thames, because who doesn't love Thames? A Grammy Award winner, I want that sound. Now, I'm going to copy out the prompt that he provided to me, and I'm going to add back into my music creator, and then I'll paste it in this section that indicates prompt. Now, once I paste it into this section, I'm going to just go over it to know if there's anything I want to change. And yes, there is, because it's indicating that I need 500 characters and my content, my prompt is above 500 characters. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to tell ChatGPT to shorten this prompt for me so that I can have something that is within 500 characters, and then I'll come back and paste it in. So now I'm going to go and paste that prompt in, and you can see that that sign of 500 characters is now out. Now there are other things I need to set before I finally click on generate music, and one of them, there's an option for me to create an only instrumental, as you can see here, and then there are other features as well. For now, I'm going to choose the genre I want this music to be in. Now for hip hop, we have lots of other options like trap, gangster rap and other things. Now for jazz as well, you have so many options. So as a musician, this is really the best tool that you can ever use, because there are so many genres for you to explore. But for the purpose of this video, of course I'll be going with Afrobeat, because that is my sound. That is a sound from where I'm from. So Afrobeat it is. So once I click on Afrobeat, if you go down a bit, you're going to see a section that says vocal gender. Now for this is for you to pick the kind of voice that you want to sing for you. I'm going to be choosing the female voice because I'm female, obviously. And so once I'm done with that, I'm now going to click on the generate music button so that my music can start generating. As you can see from the right hand side, my music is generating. So I'm going to wait for it. So oh, I get another buzz, and now it's saying that I can't mention Thames name. So I think this is because of copyright infringement. So take note of this when you're creating yours. Do not mention an artist name when you're trying to create music. So I'm just going to go back and edit the prompt again so that it doesn't have any mention of Thames. And once I've done that, I'm going to do all the features I did before. I'm just going to redo everything again, click on Afrobeat, pick my vocal gender, and once I'm done with that, the next thing for me to do is to just click on the generate music so that I can generate the music. And so once I click on that, from my left hand side, you're going to see that my music has started generating as usual. The next part for me in this video is for me to try the lyrics part, which I've been waiting for all day. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to type create music lyrics for this same Afrobeat sound I used initially, and I produced a song titled Echoes of the Night. I'm just going to copy that quickly, and once I'm done copying it, I'm going to go back to my music creator, paste it into the section that says your own lyrics, and once I paste it into that part, the next thing I want to do is to go down and then copy the title and paste it into the section that is specifically for the title, because this part there is a section for title. So once I scroll down, you're going to see title. Although it's optional, but I still want to title my music, so I'm going to paste it in there. So yeah, the vocal gender, you can see it, the styles as well. I'm going to choose Afrobeat, of course, like we did for the first one. And once I've chosen Afrobeat, I'll go to the vocal gender, and then I'm going to pick a female voice. Also, there's also a section for the vocal gender here. I'm going to click on female as well, and once I've clicked on the female, I'm just confirming it again. After clicking on female, I think that is all I need to do in this section, because this advanced part is really not for me, because I'm not a musician. I really don't understand what it is about, so it's not something I really want to dwell on. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate music so I can go ahead and listen to what it has to create. So now let's listen to the one it created with a prompt. Let's see if it is good enough or if you have been able to create something great.
You came in slow, like rain on skin, barefoot in the doors before the night begins.
This section I want to highlight is really helpful for musicians, especially if you're someone that record only your song without beats or without producing a sound to go with it. So this is helpful. You can either upload your own audio or you can record it in the platform. So whichever you choose to do, this is really helpful for you and it's going to give you a beat. Now let's listen to the song you created with the lyrics from ChatGPT.
Soft winds calling my name again, lost in thoughts I can't explain.
Now if you're an artist, this is going to get rid of any creative block you have. Now to download your audio, go to the audio, click on the three dots and then choose the type of format you want. I'll be using MP3 and it will start downloading. Now we want to try out the AI song cover generator and I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve it. Now because I want to use an existing audio by an actual real life artist, I will be going on to Chrome browser and I'll be typing in Thames because I want to use STEM song, and I will use the most recent one which has been blowing up in our airways, which is Rain Dance. So I'm going to go onto any website I see on this platform that can allow me to download the audio of this song. Now I've seen one, I'm just going to click on it and then click on download. As you can see, it's already downloading the audio for me, and I'm going to make sure that that audio is downloaded properly, and then I will head back into my music creator. Let's get into the business. Now, yeah, I'm going to upload that music that I just downloaded. As you can see, it's already in my files, and once I impute it in, I'm going to now choose which voice do I want to cover it. Of course, I'm not be using my voice. I'm not an artist. My voice is not beautiful. So yeah, I have a lot of artists to choose from, but I want someone that is like Thames, someone that I see that their vibe can match, and that person is the talented Caesar. Caesar often reminds me of Thames, so that is why I'm going to be going with her. So yeah, of course, I'm going to be clicking on female because she's a female, and then I'll click on generate. So now that my song is generating, I can't wait to hear what this sounds like because this is Thames, and I want to see the way it sounds in Caesar's voice. So I think the download is ready now. So let's play it and see what it actually sounds like.
Let's get a party started. See you at the bar, you was hardly talking. That's when I knew that your heart was starring. Friends to lovers need a part to star in lightweight, babe.
I don't know why you're sleeping on this tool because people are legit making money from this. So if you're not a music artist, people actually create sounds like this and then post it on platforms and then make money out of it as a cover. On TikTok, covers are blowing up than the actual music. So you don't really need to sleep on this. This is what is going to make you money. This is something that is going to change your life if you use it properly. This website has so many tools. Honestly, I can't go over everything today. If we are to stay here, this video is going to be really long, so we can explore other tools it has. When you get into the site and you're going to enjoy it, create amazing content and make money for yourself. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope that now you can create your own amazing music using this tool that I just introduced to you. Now, for you to get this tool, just click the link in the description and you will get started immediately. Until next time, bye.